Welcome to the biggest 2-week party of the year in the Exumas. This video will be a bit different. We wanted to showcase this annual event because we had such a blast and we were told it was the biggest turnout they've ever seen. So come along with us to some crazy events and parties as we take a bit of a break in paradise. Today is the sign up for the 41st Annual Georgetown Regatta, and everyone goes to shore in their dinghy to sign up for the events for the next couple of weeks. It's getting pretty busy around here. It is the first morning of the Georgetown Regatta. We're really excited. We're going to be participating in quite a few events. This morning is the poker run. It's going to be quite hilarious. Basically, you have your team or just the two of you in your dinghy, and you go around to a whole bunch of different bars and restaurants, and you get a poker card at each of the establishments. And so it starts at 11 a.m. You meet back at the Chat and Chill beach bar. That's where it starts as well, at about 4:30. And by then you have gone to all of the establishments. There's 7 of them. Whichever dinghy has the best poker hand wins a prize. I think it's a bottle of rum or something.
It's a moment of truth. You ready?
I'm envisioning
do it right.
A really good number.
All right.
It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen.
You get the one with the hole in, you're an extra winner.
Oh shoot!
Oh! Oh!
Not bad.
Okay,
All right.
okay.
They all have holes.
They all have holes.
What'd you get? What'd you get?
Kumbe Smash acquired, and on to the next Exuma Yacht Club. The poker run was an awesome way to visit a bunch of places around town, like the Yacht Club, which was kind of hidden away. Yes, we are. We are the B group, yes. Get a king, babe, or a jack, or something.
What is it?
Oh, 5 of clubs. Man, you didn't deliver. Oh.
I'll fire myself.
At the time of the regatta, which is held every April, there were more than 375 boats anchored in Georgetown, many of which came here specifically for this 2-week event. We were so lucky that our timing worked out perfectly to be here for it. Back at the Chat and Chill beach at the end of the poker run. With jacks and 10s. Oh, it's not good enough. This guy wins. Nice. The next day's event was the variety show where cruisers could showcase their talents. This special needs brother and sister duo were so sweet.
I were an itty bitty rich, idle deedle diddle diddle man. I'd build a come on, everyone. You can leave your ride on.
Go ahead,
Get
Bill.
undressed.
Let's go, come on.
This is just a crowd. Oh my god.
Here comes Cam. Oh, we got a good one there.
Good morning to another beautiful Georgetown day. Today we are again enjoying the regatta events. We're going to be having the big boat inner harbor races. This guy looks like he's won a few races. So we thought it would be really cool to go hike up back to that monument hill and get a view over top of the races and be able to see all of the boats and cheer them on from up there. We have the commentary going on the radio here.
Availed themselves quite well.
Holy snap, look how that is. Oh my god.
Yep.
Wow.
I told you, be proud of yourself.
Proud or like thinking I'm pretty dumb? For attempting it.
A little bit of both.
You can do it, babe. And now for the most anticipated and ridiculous event, the blind dinghy race. You can do it. Right there. Honey, just go straight back, okay? You don't need to go left or right, just go straight.
Get out. Get out there, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay, you're course.
Go!
Go, though?
Yep. So go to get away from some peeps. Yep. Yep, pedals are good. Yep, keep on going straight back. A little bit to the left.
The paddles are in the water.
To the left.
Okay.
Oh, straight back. We're doing bumper boats with Stone right now. See when you're, oh, careful. Okay, go to the right.
Okay.
Go to the right.
Okay.
Gotta get away from them.
Okay.
Oh, stop. You're hitting paddles. Go straight or to the right. The right.
I can't.
Okay, straight back now.
I can't.
Yeah, I know.
I can't go.
To the right. Oh, another bumper boat! To the right. Right.
I can't. I keep hitting a boat.
Yeah, I know. This is ridiculous. We have the boat in the paddle. Okay, hold on. Just 1 second. 1 second. Go to the right. Right. Go back to the right.
I can't. There's a boat there.
Yes, let me just do that. There we go. To the right. Good. Keep on going to the right fast. There's another boat right behind us. We're gonna hit them in a 1 second. Stop. Okay, keep on going straight. Oh no! That's ridiculous. Okay, now we want to go to the right. We're almost at the lady with the pink, which is the end. And just go to the right a little bit. There we go. So do a hard to the left. Let's turn around. And then we're going to be going straight back to the beach. So straight back, to the right. Straight back.
One already?
Yeah. Well, because he didn't get freaking... No. But we didn't get bumper boat by that one guy beside us. We're not last.
How far up to the back are we?
To the right a little bit more. Shortest line to the beach. And straight.
Far away are we?
We are about halfway back. To the right. We want to beat these guys head to head. Almost there. We're so close. Almost to the right. Right. Woo! Almost. Okay, now we're here. Yeah! Good job, honey. So there's other people. We didn't come in last.
First base and you're not.
Yeah.
It's horrible.
Yeah. Good job, honey. Well, that was a fun race over there, the blind dinghy race. We did good overall, though, honey, I think.
Not by the sounds of it.
We didn't come in last, so that part's good. We got screwed at the beginning, though. You just saw the footage, like those boats kept on crashing into us. We couldn't
I
get
didn't
away
see
from
the
them.
footage.
Well,
All I know is you kept saying go right and I can't turn right because my paddle's on someone's boat.
we wanted to go right, that's all I knew.
Stab their boat with a whatever and make it sink.
Oh my god. There's going to be another party. There's parties every single day here. It's ridiculous. But another party over at Peace and Plenty Hotel, beach bar, pool bar type thing later this afternoon. We're going to go hit that up. And yeah, we're just going to have some lunch, just chilling on the boat right now. And yeah, just enjoying a lazy Friday in the Bahamas on our floating home. At the closing events of the regatta, the local Junkanoo band played. The sheer volume of music was overwhelming and gave us the chills. We'll leave you here to enjoy the music as much as we did. Thanks for watching this episode, and we hope you enjoyed a little taste of the festivities.